Hi and welcome to the OnceHub video tutorials. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I will walk you through the user roles and permission in OnceHub and how to manage them effectively. So, OnceHub has four main user roles. First is account owner. This is the person who created the account. They have full control over everything just like an admin, plus exclusive rights. Only the account owner can transfer the ownership from themselves to another user. Once ownership is transferred, the previous owner becomes an admin. For transferring the account ownership, they need to log into their OnceHub account, go to the gear icon, select users, and pick a users from a list, and they can edit their roles and transfer their ownership. So once done, they need to hit apply. Also, only the account owner can permanently delete the OnceHub account. Next, we have administrator. Admins can manage users, teams, calendars, subscription, billing, and more. They can now transfer account ownership, but they handle almost everything else. They can purchase seats, SMS credits, assign and unassign a role, connect and disconnect on and account level integrations. They can create, edit calendars, chatbots, routing forms, and more. Next, we have team manager. They manage a specific group of users within the account. They can create and edit booking links, calendars, chatbots, and form, but only for their team. No access to billing or full account settings. They can assign seats, but again, only within their own team. And finally, we have member. Members have limited access. They can manage only their own booking links, calendars, integration, and forms. They can't edit anything outside their profile unless given explicit permission. Those are main four roles in OnceHub. Here are some quick FAQs and key permissions. One role per user. You can't be both admin and team manager at the same time. Users without a seat can update availability but cannot take bookings. Members and team members need permission from admins to access chatbots or routing forms. Only admins can manage billing, subscription, and delete accounts. Team manager can assign seats to their own team, edit team calendars and booking pages. Members can't assign roles, manage seats, or edit anything outside their own assets. So, final tip, always assign roles based on responsibilities. Admins run the account, team managers handle teams, and members focus their own setup. And that's it about users, roles, and permission. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.